Now following USAF trail, which is over there to the left, we have a new one inbound. Coming in from there. Spraying away merrily. I don't trust this camera, so I'm in trouble with focus. I can't see from sunlight. Yeah, no, that's Ryanair coming in, but this big one on the rear that I'm filming now, that's United States Air Force that did that one. This Ryanair, I can't see where he is over this side, he's trail over there though. So here's the Ryanair. It's a Boeing 737 November Golf 8 Alpha Sierra stroke Whiskey, going from Luxembourg to Edinburgh, currently 31,000 feet. As it's passed over Darlow, is on flight Romeo Yankee Romeo 29 Papa Echo, Ryanair of Ireland, registration Echo India Delta Papa Golf, and ICAO code is 4 Charlie Alpha 4 Echo Bravo.